It's Tracy from My Rants, My Views. My issue, and something that's really kind of gotten underneath my skin a little bit, is this seatbelt law. I myself believe that it should be personal choice, especially now that Michigan has passed the no helmet law. Now, to me, that's a little bit confusing. They're charging you $65 per offense with the seatbelt, but they're telling you you could go ahead and ride your motorcycle and not protect your head. So, I mean, I'm a person that wears a seatbelt when I get inside a vehicle, but I still believe it should be your personal choice. Not, hey, when it comes to children, of course, you protect them. But when you are, I don't want to even say 16, but, 18, adult, and on your own, can make up your own mind, your choice. So, come on. What's your view?